Hello everyone, today we will see how to solve the problem of no disk or disk loading error, disk loading problem in an Samsung DVD home cinema system. This is a DVD, I will check it with now. See, it's showing no disk. Same disk we will check later. And this is the CD. The previous one was a DVD and this is a CD. See, CD, it is showing continuously loading. It neither says no disk nor it's ejecting, neither it is reading. We will see what is the problem with this one now. First of all, unplug the DVD player from the mains power socket. Remove the screw from here. Here this one, the middle one, the side one, right side one, this one. Okay, all the 5 screws, unscrew them. After unscrewing, hold it on from the back side, just widen the place, pull it up. Okay, here comes your cover. Now plug it in. Power it on. Here you can see the disc is not rotating. See? So there might be problem with the lens pickup, or else the motor, DVD drive motor itself, disc motor. Okay, eject it. First we will try with changing the lens pickup, because this DVD, it is maybe around 4 to 5 years old and they have used lot of discs to read. There might be problem with the lens only. We'll change it and see. Okay, unplug the power mains cable, that is important, very important. Unplugging the mains cable is very important. Just unscrew this screw. Show you. unscrew this one. Okay, got it. Just pull the lens little bit backwards. Okay, here, see, slightly remove the shaft. Okay, gear, shaft, and gently pull the cable back. Okay, this is your lens pickup. We'll change it with new one. Here is the new one. Don't touch the lens with your finger. This is the lens. Okay. Plug in the cable gently. Okay. Now pull the shock absorber shaft holder. Be sure mains cable is unplugged. Push this side into the shaft first. Okay, here. Show it to you. Here you can see, push it into this shaft, left side shaft first, then slowly push the lens below. See that this gear shaft is shifted on the gear inside. I'll show it just a moment. Here you can see this here. This is the shaft, lens pickup. Here it should fit exactly the same way, this gear from here. And now fixing the shaft. Push it gently, slowly. It should fix here, this into this. Okay, here we need to align it. Pull it up. See, I'll show you here at this end. Push it backside down. Pull it from here and push it inside. Okay, now screw it up. Fasten the screw holding the shaft. Don't tighten it fully, we need to align it. Now here on this lens you can see a solder clog here. So this is to prevent the lens from, as this lens has magnets here, powerful magnets. So this solder clog is done so as to prevent induced electricity from this lens pickup flowing to the main circuit, to the processor. So we need to unplug that, desolder that one. Yes, it's done. Okay, if you want to remove that, this lens does not move up and down to align itself with the DVD, data on the DVD. Okay, now we will check whether it will read the DVD discs or no, DVD as well as CD. Plug the power. Okay, now we will insert the same old disc which we checked with. See, now the disc is rotating. That means there was problem with the lens pickup itself. Menu. Here you can see menu. This means the DVD is being read exactly properly now. Open it. Check with the audio disc. This is the CD. Previous one was a DVD. Okay, exact reading exactly. There is no need to align the shaft also. If you see that either DVD or CD is not reading, again it is showing no disk or continually showing loading, you just try aligning this shaft screw either by tightening it or loosening it. Okay, both. This one at least we have not touched. We need not touch it while removing the lens pickup also. Only this, as we have removed it, while removing, if you count the threads, it's okay. Fasten it with the same count of threads. If you have now not counted and you are facing no disk problem, check with the solder clog. This one here, solder clog, and aligning the screw, shaft screw. Now we will pack it up. We'll cover the top cover. Okay, hold it on. After aligning this screw, just put some adhesive to it. Unplug the power cable when the tray is out. Let it dry. After it dries, just take the top cover. Here, for fixing the top cover, insert it in this way, front side first. Okay, push it a bit. Okay, now push it down. Yes, done. Now fasten the screws, all the 5 screws. Take all the 5 screws. Okay, now we'll check it once again. This is the CD. Okay, it's reading. You can see the numbers counting there, time clocking. Then now we have inserted the DVD. Yes, it's showing menu, which means the DVD has been read. I need to remote and the screen to check it. Okay guys, we are done. And if your problem still persists with the after changing the lens pickup, you can change the motor of the DVD drive, that is the main motor which runs the disc. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching.